how would you install a vinyl sticker for your glass panel? A lot of customers ask me this particular question, and this is important. You see, if you're in Pune, we have a team of dedicated fitters and pasters to come and paste this film at your end. We provide end-to-end services for this. But if you're at a remote location and if you're sourcing this from us on courier, you need to be aware of a few simple tips to paste your glass film print on a glass panel for an even and nice finish. The first thing to do is for you to wipe the surface absolutely clean. Remove all the dirt from your panel. After you do that, you peel off the sticker. I don't want you to peel off the entire sticker. I want you to peel it off from one corner only. Okay? Put a little bit of soap water on the glass panel. This will ease the sticker pasting process. So what we do out here is we've put enough water on the back of the vinyl sticker, and we've also put a whole lot of soap water on the surface where we need to do the pasting. Do not paste the film in its entirety. I recommend that you first start pasting from one edge or for one corner. You know why? Because if you try to paste the full film, you will see these bubbles happening. You will see these creases and bubbles happening out there. So start off gently with one edge and pull your squeegee to ease out the bubbles in the same. Right? Use your squeegee. A squeegee is nothing but a device which has got a silicone rubber, soft silicone rubber, which will not scratch our print, and you use your squeegee to gently, can you see this bubble out here? I gently remove this bubble and I get my flat and finished surface. Again, if you can draw the camera's attention to this bubble out here, all I got to do is press it and I get my flat finished. I would not do this randomly. I would probably recommend going in a particular sequence. So if you're going vertical, you would pull it vertically, and if you're going horizontal, continue in the same vein. Can you see this bubble out here? I'm working out the bubble, I'm removing the air, and this air is coming out from the edge out here. If you remember, we also had some water behind on the glass, behind the sticker. That's also being worked out, and we now get a very smooth and even finish. Finally, wipe down the job and you're ready to go. This is going to do two things. One, it is going to give you a very even finish. Two, it's going to get rid of all bubbles that might come in while at the time of pasting. So you're going to work out the bubbles using a squeegee. And three, remember I told you to put soap water on the base panel. Soap water will allow you to temporarily reposition the film. If it's slightly slanting, it will allow you to correct for errors. And once this water gets pasted, you get this great looking finished job. If you remember, I told you that glass film prints allow rollback. Once done, if you're vacating the premises, remove these films. They won't come out so easy because we've just pasted them, but the fact remains that you can remove them and you can bring your glass back to its original pristine condition. And as always, please hit the subscribe button. It will keep you posted about all the various videos that we post on printing and on educational and interesting projects like this.